Hello, first grade. This project is called Overlapping Circles. You need a piece of white paper. Inside your envelope, I gave you this piece of tag board that has overlapping circles on it. You might need that. If you are using this to trace around, you will need a pair of scissors so that you can cut that circle off. If you didn't come and get an envelope, you can use any circle that you can find in your house. I just used a lid from something I had in the cabinets. And you'll definitely need crayons. So, first step, we need to trace around circles and make them overlap. What does overlapping mean? Well, overlapping is a technique that artists use when they want to show distance on a flat piece of paper. So, if I wanted to overlap my lid, I would put my crayons on top. This one is closer to you, this one is farther away, and the paper is even farther away. That's called overlapping. You don't see the whole lid because the crayon box is on top, but you know the whole lid is there. So we're going to make overlapping circles. So, if you don't have a lid, you will need to cut this circle out that I left for you in your envelope. And you will need a crayon so that you can trace around your circle. When you cut, make sure you stay on the line. It's like a train on a track. Okay, so you can use any color you want of your crayon box. I think I'm going to use black because that's a good outline color. So, I'm going to put 10 circles. Now, there's no way to get 10 circles on this piece of paper unless you overlap. So, this one is out here, and it is not overlapping anything because you see the whole circle. If I draw another circle, these two circles do not overlap. Now I'm going to draw a circle that overlaps. I'm going to take my circle, I'm going to put it on top. But I'm only going to go from one line all the way around and stop when I hit the other line. When I do that and take this off, this circle is behind this circle. So I have 3 circles. I'm going to keep overlapping. I want to make sure I have 10 circles, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need one more circle. So I think I'm going to put it right here. You can do more than 10 circles if you want. Depends on how much you want to color. But 10 is the rule. Okay, so now I've overlapped my circles. Now it's time to color my circles. Each one is going to be a different color. You can get 2 colors, or 2 kinds of color, out of one crayon. So, I'm going to take this crayon. If I color very lightly with my purple, making sure there's no scribbles, make sure there's no white showing through that color. So that's one color this purple crayon can make. I'm going to move the paper around so that I can make a purple on another side. So I don't want the same color next to each other. This time I'm going to push a little harder and my purple is brighter. So one crayon can make 2 shades or kinds of purple. It can make a light color and it can make a dark color. Take your time and do a good job. Make sure there's no white showing and that you didn't scrabble. So, we're going to fill in all the circles with different colors. So let's get coloring. there you go. That is overlapping circles. They kind of look like balloons to me. But as you can see, we have those that are on the front, those are on top, and we have those that are on the bottom. That's overlapping to show distance. Put your name on your paper, take a picture of it, and send it to me. Have fun!